Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the HZ English Pod, where learning English is fun and easy. I'm Liam.
And I'm Sophie. Hello, everyone. I'm so happy to be here today.
Today, we have a very useful topic for all English learners: daily routine.
Yes, we will learn how to talk about your day in English. This is perfect for beginners and intermediate learners.
Before we start, remember to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and share this video with your friends who want to learn English.
Yes, and don't forget to write in the comments. We love reading your messages.
What is a daily routine? Sophie, can you tell our viewers what is a daily routine?
Sure. A daily routine is what you do every day. For example, waking up, eating breakfast, going to school or work.
Exactly. It is simple, but it is important to know the right words to describe your day in English.
Yes, and today we will learn easy sentences that you can use every day.
Morning routine. Sophie, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m., then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Great! Let's teach our viewers some simple sentences. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast.
You can repeat after me. This is good practice.
What time do you wake up? Write in the comments. Going to work or school. After the morning routine, we go to work or school. Sophie, what do you say about that?
I go to school at 8 a.m. I study English, math, and art.
Perfect. Here are some useful sentences for our viewers. I go to school at 8 a.m. I study English. I study math. I study art.
Remember, you can use these sentences to talk about your day. It is easy.
Sometimes I wake up late and I run very fast to catch the bus.
Oh, Liam, you look funny when you run.
Afternoon routine. After school or work, what do you usually do, Sophie?
I usually eat lunch at 1 p.m. Then I like to read a book or listen to music.
Excellent! Repeat these sentences with us. I usually eat lunch at 1 p.m. I usually read a book. I usually listen to music. Try to make your own sentences using I usually. Write them in the comments. Evening routine.
So, in the evening, I usually play with my cat, Luna. Then I do my homework.
And I usually play soccer or watch a movie.
Here are some sentences you can use. I usually play with my cat. I usually do my homework. I usually watch a movie. I usually play soccer.
Sometimes I watch movies and eat too much popcorn.
Haha, that's a fun evening.
Night routine. Before bed, what do you do, Sophie?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, and read a storybook. Then I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Perfect. Viewers, repeat these. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I read a storybook. I go to bed at 10 p.m. What time do you go to bed? Write in the comments. Tips for talking about your daily routine. Sophie, what is the best tip for beginners?
Start with simple sentences. Use words like wake up, eat, go, study, play, sleep.
Yes, and remember, practice every day. Even if it is short, it is useful. Another tip, talk to yourself in English. For example, I am eating breakfast. I am drinking tea.
Yes, This is called self-talk. It is very helpful.
Today, we learned how to talk about your daily routine in English.
We learned about morning routine, going to work or school, afternoon activities, evening and night routine.
And also, we gave tips. Use simple sentences, practice self-talk, repeat sentences every day.
And most important, don't be afraid of mistakes. Keep practicing.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like this video, subscribe to the HZ English Pod, and click the bell so you never miss a lesson.
Yes, and write in the comments your daily routine in 2 to 3 sentences. We will read and reply.
Remember, English is a tool for communication, not a test.
Exactly. Keep practicing, have fun, and you will improve every day.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Happy learning.